Good morning, students. Very good. How many questions I had given in the first video about mathematical reductions? Are you doing? Very good. Now this is the second part of mathematical reduction. In this part, in this video, I am going to explain about divisible and multiple. Means in this question we have to prove that 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64 for any positive integers n. Clear? Suppose here n. Understood? Very simple here. I am going to give the solution. Here we have two steps. Basic step. Clear? Basic and induction. We have two steps. Either we can suppose step 1, step 2. In basic step, if T1 is 2, T1 is 2. Clear? Very simple. It means in the place of n of given question, we have to put 1. Now you can see here 3 power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 into 1 minus 9 is equal to what? 3 power 2 plus 2 4, 3 power 4 minus 8 minus 9, 3 power 4 means what? 81 minus 70. Clear? And 81 minus 70 is equal to 64. Now we can say then 64 is the divisible by 64. It means we can say that T1 is 2 for this equation. Any doubt? Very good. Now here induction steps. In this step, if Tk is 2, therefore in the place of n we can put k. Very good. 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8 into k minus 9. Now suppose here 64, it means here 64, suppose m. Here where m is the multiple of 64, this value, whatever portion is there, only in the place of n we can put k here, that is 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is equal to 64m. Whatever number is there means quotients divisible by any numbers either 64, 25, 14, same numbers into suppose m. Clear? And if tk plus 1 is 2. Here for this value in the place of k we can put k plus 1. Therefore 3 power 2 k plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 k plus 1 minus 1. Understood? Are you understanding? Good. 2 k means k plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 k means k plus 1 minus 9. Now 3 power 2k plus 2 into 3 square minus 8k minus 8 minus 9. 3 square means what? 9 into 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 17. Any problem? Now anyhow we have to separate this 64 as a multiple form, as a product form. Why? Because in question given total value is divisible by 64. Example, suppose here 2 into 4 here, then this 4 is the multiple of 2 also, this 4 is also divisible by 2. Therefore, whatever number is there, same numbers in multiple form. Now, from this equation, I am going to find the value of this. Now we can see here 3 power 2k plus 2 is equal to what? 64. M minus transfer this value there plus 8k minus means here plus 9. Understood? 3 power 2k plus 2 is equal to 64m minus means plus 8k plus 9. Now the value of this 3 power 2k plus 2 is equal to 64m plus 8k plus 9. We will put here this place. So therefore 9 into what is value of 3 power 2k plus 2? 64m plus 8k plus 9 minus 8k minus 70. Now 9 into 64 m, 9 into 8 72k, 9 into 9 81 minus 8k minus 70. Any doubt? Okay. Only 9 will be multiplied inside this bracket, means 9 into 64m into 9, 9 into 8 means 72k plus 9 into 9 means 81 minus 8k minus 70. Now here 9 into 64m 72k minus 8k is equal to what? Plus 64 plus 64k plus 81 minus 17 is equal to what? Plus 64. We can check here. 7 plus 4 11, 6 plus 1 7 and 80. 80 means 72k minus 8k means 64k plus 81 minus 70 64. Now we can say 64 in all three terms. 64, 64, 64 means we can take common 64. 9m plus k plus 1. Now 64. Suppose that is here p here. Then at last terms, at last results, we can see here 64 is the multiple of this value. Here, therefore, we can say that therefore only simply tk plus 1 is true. Clear? So by principle of mathematical induction, given equations is proved. This is a condition. Understood? Very simple. Either here multiplication or divisible or product or quotient or whatever value is given by any other number, we can basic steps is means t1 is 2, t1 is 2 means what? Then put n is equal to 1. Induction step tk is 2 means what? n is equal to k. And here tk 1 is 2 means what? Here n is equal to k plus 1. Understood? Very simple. After that we will open the brackets according to rules we can find. Understood? Good. Now say question number 2. This is question number 2 here. In this question also we have to prove that 3 power 4n plus 2 plus 5 power 2n plus 1 is a multiple of 14. In question number 1 it was divisible of 64, but here multiple of 14. Either in any question divisible or multiple, any numbers are given, any numbers means any condition are given, we will use only same rules, same conditions for solving this question. Understood? Now here basic step means here T1 is 2, that is n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. Either we can take here means let n is equal to 1. Therefore 3 power 4 into 1 plus 2 plus here 5 power 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 3 power 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 power 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. After that 3 power 6 means what? 3 cube into 3 cube plus 5 power 3 means what? 125. 3 power cube means what? 27 into and 27 plus 125. Understood? 27 into 27 is equal to what? We can check here. 27 into 27, 7 into 7, 49, carry 4. 7 into 2, 14 plus 4 is equal to what? 18. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 and 5 means 9, 2, 5, 1, 6. Clear? And 7. Understood? Then 27 into 27 means 729 plus 125 is equal to what? 9 plus 5, 14. 2 plus 2, 4 and 5, 7 plus 1, 8. Here, now we have to check 854 is the divide by 14. 854, clear? 14. And 6 46 84, clear? Cancel here 1, 41 is 14. It means this 854 is the divisible by 14. It means we can say this is also multiple by 14. Clear? Now induction step means what? Tk is 2. It means in the place of n we can put k. Very good. Therefore 3 power 4k plus 2 plus here 5 power 2k plus 1. Now we can suppose 14 is there, 14 into m. Here any numbers we can suppose m or p or q depend on you. It is not compulsory. We will write here m. Any numbers we can take because 14 into m, then 14 is a multiple of m. 14 into m is 14 is divisible divided by m. Clear? Then now if tk plus 1 is 2. Then what? In the place of k we can put k plus 1. Therefore 3 power 4 k plus 1 plus 2 plus here 5 power 2 k plus 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 3 power 4k plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 power 2k plus 2 plus 1. Now given numbers, given value, we have to convert into this form. Whatever number is there with the power, same numbers we have to change into this form. 3 power 4k plus 2. Then here 3 power 4k plus 2 into what? 3 power 4 plus 5 power 2k plus 1 into 5 square. After that 3 power 4k plus 2 into 3 power 4 means what? 81. Means here 81 plus 5 power 2k plus 1. 5 power 2k plus 1 into what? 5 square means what? 25. Any problem? Very simple. 3 power 4k plus 2 into 3 power 4 means what? 3 into 4 time means 81 plus 5 power 2k plus 1 into 5 square means 25. Now from this equation we have to put the value of this value. This means therefore here 81 into what is value of 3 power 4k plus 2? 3 power 4k plus 2 is equal to 14m minus 5 power 2k plus 1. Clear? And plus 25 into 5 power 2k plus 1. Multiply 81 into 14m minus 81 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 25 into 5 power 2k plus 1. Any problem? Very good. 81 into 40m minus 2 5 power 2k plus 1 5 power 2k plus 1 and minus 81 plus 25. You can check here. Minus 81 plus 25 is equal to what? Minus sign will come here. And 11 minus 5, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. Then minus plus minus here. 56 into 5 power 2k plus 1. Now, I'm going to take common 14 from both the term. Then here, 14 is common. 81 minus 14. When we will take common 14, so what number will come? 4 times into 5 power 2k plus 1. Clear? Any problem? No, very good. 14, 4 ja 56. Now, total value suppose P here, let P here. Now, you can see at last one, 14 into P. Then we can say that 14 is the multiple of P, means 14 is the multiple also this question. Clear? Then, therefore, T k plus 1 is 2. Okay? Now, at last we can write also by the principle of mathematical induction, like this one here, by the principle of mathematical induction, and Tk is 2 and Tk plus 1 is 2, where n or k belong to n. Clear? Hence proved this question. Any problem? Very good. Now I'm going to give homework question. So please, you have to see all this homework question. Use the principle of mathematical inductions to prove that following statements for all n belong to capital N, means natural number. First question is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dash dash plus 2n is equal to n plus 1. Clear? Second question is a plus ar square plus dash dash plus a into r power n minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r, where r is not equal to 1. Question number 3 is 1 upon 1 into 4. This is not decimal. Are you understanding? 1 upon 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 10 plus dash dash plus 1 upon 3n minus 2, 3n plus 1 is equal to n upon 3n plus 1. And question number 4 is 4 power n plus 15n minus 1 is divisible by 9. Last question is 7 power 2n plus 2 power 3n minus 3 into 3 power n minus 1 is the divisible by 25. Understood? So place first of all how many questions I have solved in video number 35 and 36. First of all, you will complete this much question. After completing, please you have to try to do all the homework question. All the homework question are very important. And if any doubts, any confusion, your online class means live class going to start after a few days. In these days, you can talk, you can ask your problem, whatever confusion you have. Understood? Okay, thank you very much.